how to fix Instagram not showing likes. So if you're facing a problem with Instagram likes, like if they are not showing, then the first thing you need to check is the internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find this kind of problem. But if it is not the internet connection, then you can open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications. Go for see all apps and then open up your Instagram. Go for storage and cache, and then you can go for clear cache, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that, and then you can open up your Play Store and simply tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply go for update and update your application. But if you don't have an update, then remove that, and then you can hold on to that power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will get restart option. Simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.